Hi, I'm Deb from TrailLite. Today I'm going to show you how to operate the drop-down bed in the TrailLite Matakana. So first of all, we need to put the table down. So to put the table down, underneath the table here there's a handle which you just wind that out and then you push it down, and then to keep it down you just need to wind it back up again so that it stays down. Then you just need to remove all the cushions, so you can just tuck them down underneath, like so. Now the only cushions you need to remove in the back here is this one here, the long one at the back, and the two small corner ones. The other ones can stay. Then we move to the control panel, so I'll just pop those down there, which is up in the cupboard up here. So as you can see, we've got electric bed operation, we've got the up and the down. So you hold your finger on the down button, you just keep your finger on it, you don't just push it and take your finger off it, and it will go all the way down and it will stop. Like so. Then in the cupboard here, you can open up this cupboard and a little step comes down like so that you can climb up and hop onto the bed. So then when you're finished with the bed and you want to put it back up, again, you just hold your fingers on there and keep your finger on until it will stop when it gets to the top. Finger off, and that is a demonstration on the drop-down bed of the TrailLite Matakana.